newborn baby.
Oh, Precious.
And she fell and she dropped the TV and she was holding. And then she left her mama. Then she fell down the stairs. She got dumped down. She got thrown down 2 times. Then she mama. And she stole some chicken. And she's back.
Almost killed the baby.
Her mama's mean. She was hungry, so she stole some chicken. Her mama said give her some money so she could give it to her. And now she was hungry. She didn't have any money. And so now she went home. And now Precious better than everybody. Now Precious, is that Precious?
Yeah.
Now Precious better than everybody.
Mama.
Now Precious better than everybody because she got her
Mama,
money.
feel practicing. When you got it?
She did watch it.
Mama, this is my Precious. And then I'm telling a little bit of the story.
She ain't seen the shit.
Don't tell her.
My mom. And she dropped the newborn baby and she threw a glass at her daughter.
You don't know the rest of it.
Yes, I do. So leave me alone, little boy. And that boy, she threw her down. She stole some chicken.
That's all you know.
Precious.
It's the baby.